Let's push. Ay, ito.
Andito na sila. Black Hawk.
Copy. We can hold.
Taking soil first.
Pa nila to
Nakuha niya yung Lionheart.
Emp na.
Copy.
Nakuha nila gold crest na.
Ko muna itong mga to. Pero makatulong na maayos.
There's
Bit
some still.
resistance here.
On the way, Yams. On the way.
I am
Yes.
here.
Okay. I'm with you.
Have no fear. Plus ultra na lang.
Break na.
Let's retake
Ano
soil.
kaya,
Ha?
Labasin ko.
Tara. Let's retake soil.
Dami gago.
Yeah, we can.
Kaya.
Niwan agad nila to. Saan sila lumipat?
Nasa gold crest yung
Nasa
mga.
Jade yan.
Next.
Retake Gold Crest.
Okay.
Lionheart taken.
Go to Gold Crest.
All?
Kayo. Mameki and Yami right. We'll hold Black Hawk for now.
Lionheart.
Parang win, takbo win.
Sige.
Gold
So,
crest
tap-
ba tayo?
Gold crest.
Gold Crest. Go Gold Crest.
Heavy to 30 yung provoke.
Okay.
Kaya.
Sige.
Patok din natin ang priest.
We need to delay them.
Cardo
Ako bukas yung gate, wag na kayong...
Okay.
Ubusin mo sa
Sabi
firepower.
na priest, Gabage. We can do
Ha?
nothing. Kukulan yung priest ng mga...
No need the buffs.
Ito ako pala dito. I'm shocked.
Water gap.
Sige.
Jesus fucking...
Nawala.
Resistance at second floor. Gold crest.
Copy.
Kaya, we can.
We can.
Wipe this, then move forward.
May site ka ba, Juno? Naka-hide dyan po.
Take soil first.
Patak swap.
Swap?
Hold kayo dito. My raid. Go to Gold Crest. Help Gold Crest.
Copy.
Slow party. Go to Black Hawk. Go back to Black Hawk.
Going to Black Hawk.
Tapos,
Black Hawk.
Laban.
Black Hawk.
I'm running to the Black Hawk.
Black Hawk.
Don't run.
Yari our friends.
Okay. Tara,
I see you.
Where's this? Kill this.
Ayan the soil.
Lalabas ako sa soil.
Ito, may tao dito.
Kill this
Soil?
boy. Kill this boy.
Ito.
Hindi. Sa ano? 6
M.
o'clock ng M.
6 o'clock na Emprom.
I see you looking at my PIC, yes.
He did.
Naka-ghost ring to.
Let's go in. Gold Crest, go in. M.
In.
I'm gonna get soil.
Soil taken. Hey.
No, I mean Black Hawk, sorry.
Go.
After we break Gold Crest, we're going Lionheart. Hindi, kami lang patok. Kaya hold nyo yan. Let's go M before they go in.
Maris mo sa hagdan.
Taka lang. Sige, may rest kita.
Pushing deep, guys.
Gusto.
Okay. Break.
Provoke here, ah. Gano'n. Check ko lang gano'n karami.
Break now.
Break. Gold Crest. Fast.
Okay, 9 adventurers pa.
Oh my God. Mali pala Nexus ko. Pwede ba magpalit ng Nexus sa loob?
Hindi ka.
Hindi.
Dami.
Mag-epic ka, uy. Okay.
Lionheart.
Going.
Try pa ako.
How do you open gate?
Gimmicks ata.
Ram, too many.
Okay.
Wala tayong priest.
I need to change Nexus and check my crops.
Check my crops.
Craps.
Let's take Lionheart fast.
My corn is already blooming, guys.
Okay
Buti
lang.
na lang
Malinis
dito yung
black.
response.
Malinis black.
Marami na sa labas. Diretso na silang amp niyan. Ingat lang sa black ko.
Copy. Break Lionheart fast.
I'm going back.
Amp now.
Let's break.
Resistance
go.
at Lionheart.
Let's go, Remiel. Let's go.
Let's go. Ah, putang ina. Kapal
Oy.
nito oh. Naghihintay dito.
Tinto here.
Saan?
Sa Lionheart. Let's give up
Ah.
Lionheart for now. Let's give up, may makikita ka ba? My raid, go to Goldcrest. My raid to go to Goldcrest. Go to Goldcrest for now. Goldcrest. Goldcrest for now. Give up Lionheart. We'll retake after. We need to
Ikaw
secure
mo ng,
Goldcrest.
ikaw mo ng PL. Naka-follow yung sa akin sa'yo.
Let's defend Goldcrest for now.
Ikaw, ako napindot ko pin.
Wala ka makapit na pari sa atin. Per box lang.
Wala.
Nala natin ang box.
Oo, takbuhan tayo.
Putang na, Doran plus si God Tinto. O hindi, peking God Tinto to gago.
Toten yan, toten.
God Toten yan.
God Toten pala to.
Si Otto niya.
Can I have a sunken amp?
Goldcrest.
Yes, all for now. Yes, Goldcrest. Thank you.
Okay,
Yams, lipat kayo sa ano? Lionheart, kami na muna mag-hold ng Blackfort, ng Goldcrest.
Mameki raid, Lionheart. Go.
Mameki raid and Yami go to Lionheart. Retake Lionheart. My raid, let's hold, let's wipe at Amp, then we'll retake flags, we'll retake soil.
Madami pa ba dyan sa M?
Portal lang.
Tara, labasin na natin.
Let's go.
Kalen, okay. I need to rebox myself. Who's here?
Ikaw din yan, Snow?
Oo, guys. Kailangan
Kaya
namin ng priest.
I just need buffs. Pabuff. Buff me.
Take soil first. That's right. Yeah.
Going win.
Copy.
Shit.
Ano yun sa Blackhawk?
May some members at tag doon, soil. Pero wipe na. Retake flags at Goldcrest. I'm going water.
Ito na, mapasok na sila. Pataka.
Oh, cutie crayon late. Bago, inubusan namin pa oh.
Retake flags. Kamusta
Okay,
Blackhawk?
bakit
Kamusta Blackhawk?
Lionheart kami.
Hindi, kapatak, kamusta kayo?
Malinis.
Okay. Retake flags at Goldcrest.
Probinsyano yun ah.
Ayan,
Going
medyo inata
water.
ka na. Oh, heavy na.
May party ko, Pau, Gab. Lipat na kayo doon.
Kinakaya
Lipat na kayo Blackhawk.
Sige.
Saan to? Blackhawk.
Copy.
Push Lionheart. I mean,
Black Hawk. No, yun si Weird.
Heavy, ah.
no, I'm inside.
Hindi, sa Blackhawk yung Blackhawk.
Ay, magkakasama ba tayo?
Hindi.
Going.
Ultra.
Sumilip lang ako, Yam. Ewan ko
Nakikita
nakita.
lang.
3 parties, I think.
Goldcrest people ready at M. Go to M.
Sobrang rami, guys. Uy!
Tara.
Sabi pag di kaya.
Di kaya, guys.
Madami, man.
Say, give. Go to Goldcrest. Give. Hold Goldcrest.
Copy. Ready na lang Gold Crest. Sunod yan.
Hit amp. Lionheart.
Once you break Lionheart, Mameki, Yami Raid, go to Lionheart. Ay, ito Blackhawk, sorry.
Blackhawk.
Let's hold Goldcrest.
Temp def
Let's go
or...
Blackhawk.
I think we need to get soil from them.
Tara, okay, bitch.
Tara, let's get soil.
Gold Crest ba yan?
Yes, Gold Crest.
Tara.
Retake Blackhawk, Yams. Mameki Raid.
So,
Labas.
Nasa kayo? Nasa second floor.
Gold
Let's
Crest.
push out Goldcrest. Let's take
Okay, bitch. Patayin ko to.
gago ka, ah. Gago kayo, ah. Putang, ano nyo.
May nakapasok ng Emprom, ha? Bumaba.
Sige lang.
Ay naman na portal pa. Pabalik.
Saan ba ako susulat?
Walang damage ng mga to. Puro naka-ano.
Sigurado.
Retake other flags,
Copy.
Sigurado. Okay
Stuck na to.
ka?
Blackhawk. Soil first. If kiss team to, kalabot mong gagalawin.
Buhay ka pa, ubusin natin to. Gago, namatay ulit ako.
Tinto at Blackhawk, guys.
Ready Goldcrest. Priority is to get Lionheart and Blackhawk and Lionheart for now.
Dami yun ah.
Dami.
Biglang dumami.
Ready Goldcrest.
Pero kaya naman eh. Marami lang.
Yeah, we'll hold. Don't worry.
Puro naka-DP ang mga punyemas.
Ay na. Pag humigop yung vampiro, nung patay tayong dalawa.
May nakapasok ka ba ng Emprom?
Taking Blackhawk.
Yeah, 55 members of Provoke at Goldcrest ready. Ramke Beach, right side portal kayo. Sa
Yep.
number 1 kayo.
1-1, let's go 1.
They're
Right side,
defending
left side.
Blackhawk. Wala ko sa...
Bayo. Mameki raid, help Yami at Blackhawk. Only 10 people of Provoke there. Yami needs help.
Nababatak lang.
Number one, many, number 1, Emprom, Goldcrest, number 1. I need a Doram to go out, get flags at second floor. Whoever's taking fire, very nice. Ba't yung F natin?
Tara, baba.
Wag mo na. Easy lang.
Easy, rami.
Tamagotchi, you're dead. Do not run.
6 o'clock off 6 o'clock off M. At number 5, Mania, number 5.
Copy.
Mameki raid help Yami at Blackhawk. Priority to get Blackhawk and Lionheart.
Paano ba may milkshake dito, gago?
Start update, Yams.
Still taking.
Copy. Let's go outside. Goldcrest people at M, go outside. Let's go. Let's push out.
Blackhawk in. I'm in.
Pares mo sa soil.
Sige.
Nice, thanks.
Let's take soil. Let's fight at soil.
I'm Doram.
Saan ka banda, Gab?
Sa soil pa rin.
Saan dito?
Sa loob ng soil.
Copy. Hindi kita makita. Ito, nakita na. Na-freeze lang ako. Racing.
Nice, thanks.
Taking Blackhawk now.
Tapos yung
Copy,
gate,
nice. Nire-repair ko na.
Punta akong... ko na pala yung... Nice.
Ay, may rest back.
Push, push.
Baba ko.
Push to win and fire.
God totin pala to po.
Heavy, 7.
25 millimeters.
7. Copy. Here. Let's push out to win.
30% Blackhawk, I died. I cannot. I'm alone.
Sige lang. Laban lang, Yams.
Uy.
Gatinto.
Tumakbo sa loob.
Totoo na.
Hindi, totoo ba yan?
Totoo na.
Totoo.
Attempt na.
Dito.
7.
Seven.
Copy. Frozen. Iwas nag-ROS.
Dropping frozen.
Baka masundutan ni David.
Dropping frozen again.
Yun, putang ina mo.
Pucha, ayun, nadali.
Balik tayo Emp, gago.
Push back. Go back to Emp now.
Aray ko, putang na mo.
Go back to Emp. Pasok ko na, Pao. Overrun tayo dito. Pasok tayo.
Ready.
Ready.
Na-start to nandito din. Ano na to? Chabo is here, Blackhawk.
Chabo, okay. Chabo dyan.
Hold portal, guys. Number 2, Pao.
Number 2.
Na maararo si God din to.
Copy. Nandito kami na, Pao. Nasaan na? Number.
Fuck. Right side.
Number. I need number.
Wala, nakapatay ako.
Number 4 most likely. Copy.
Stair.
Number 5.
Pumasok na, dumiretso na siya na M.
Copy.
Sige, hold ko yung...
Terminal wing kulay pula. Aray.
Sige.
Kuyugin natin.
Frozen.
Do you bleed, motherfucker?
Die siya, die.
Dead.
Secure portal.
Ready lang. Kasi they have a spawn at soil. Ready. They have a spawn at soil. Just hold at the M first. Freeze ako, putang ina.
God Tinto.
Mote at
Sorry.
Blackhawk.
God Totin, right side.
Cannot be Ram. Yams, cannot be.
Cannot be.
Nakuha na
Kinuha ng star.
Copy.
Mote is rotating.
Push Push na lang kayo sa Scorpion, Yams. Scorpion.
Okay.
Linisaw sa baba.
God Tinto, right side.
Right side, copy. Number one.
I'll get soil.
Hindi ko kita si David.
Shit, I died. Fuck, died.
Marami sa labas.
Muna ko i-beach. Makapal.
Kapal. Pero di sila makapasok, binabatay lang nila yung soil.
Copy. It's fine. Location at Gadtin to, location. May ano kayo? Saan?
3.
3. Copy. Tinto dead.
Sa atin ba yun?
Don't think so.
Got it though, right side. 5. I'm sorry, 4.
1. God Tinto, 1. Pops kayo yun? Nariso? Ayun, yun nariso. Parang bagsak ako. Puno.
Tinto at 1.
Oh, ito, nandito
Just
na.
going back.
Oh, shit.
Epic, casting epic.
Boy pa?
Buhay pa.
5. Casting epic.
Makapal yung left.
Still at 1. Copy. Prioritize to kill Tinto. Prioritize killing Tinto.
Oh, dead.
Go to 1. Go to 2, guys. Mas bearable yan, Yams.
Ay,
Copy. Don't push out yet. Still 56 provoke people here.
Hit M. Scorpion.
Pataklipat mo muna si Kalia sa Blackhawk. Ay, Lionheart. Party mo lang. Only snow party, not raid So that's Sion Rockers.
Diba.
Lionheart.
Tinto sa right 1.
Copy. Going.
Iniwan ko yung input dyan kasi control ko si ano.
Sige lang.
Sa'yo.
Saan tayo, Kuya Patok?
Lionheart.
Tinto still at 1
Scorpion taken.
Copy. Help Lionheart.
Casting frozen.
Kontrolado yung ano.
Dead. Tinto dead. Go to 2. Hold 2. Dorams, if you can retake.
Mote is here. Patok, mote is here.
Heavy.
Yams, punta kayo doon. Help. Saan to? Lionheart. Help Lionheart.
I'm here.
Mamake raid, help Lionheart.
Nandito si Mote. Mababasag na.
50.
Marami,
I'm here.
Go kung kaya.
I'm doing my best.
Pareso.
Nawawipe. Casting epic.
Wipe na lang ako.
Up.
Oh,
35.
Okay, casting sank.
Double.
Well played.
I'm dead.
Balik.
31%.
Marami sa baba,
Balik ako, pabalik ako.
Sige lang, sige lang, sige lang, sige lang. It's fine.
We lost
Sige.
Lionheart.
Babasag na po.
Bus na.
Retake.
Pasali ako sa party nyo.
Ha, hindi ako yung retake.
Rumes back pa. Puta.
Tara, Yams. Pati siguro ako.
Going back.
Lionheart.
There's a second wave, guys.
Tara. Actually, kinakaya ng una, bigla dumating si Mote.
May second wave.
Slices it.
Emp daw si Gantinto.
Anong Emperor?
Natin. Gold crest.
Are we going back?
No. We can.
Rosen, M.
Tara.
Take soil first. Lionheart.
Lionheart takes all, yeah.
Go weird.
Putang ina, na-cancel reso ko. 1 second, mares kita ba? Uy, gago ka.
Yami, pasok na. Kailangan pasok.
Basag kami.
Pasok. Kailangan
In.
Wala tayo.
Still hold. Still hold, Colcrest, still hold.
Ah, shit.
Keep fighting.
Reso. Pre na reso. Yan na.
Tara. Ay, putik na ulog ako.
Ay, yung panana. Namatay. Okay. Power reso. Up.
Putang ina mo, nawala ubusan akong low gem, gago ka. Sakit, gago.
Gago, hindi ako makareso.
Hit M.
Nipis to?
Hit M.
Go, M. Go.
Fast break.
Frozen.
I'll handle stragglers.
Up.
Hit M.
Puta, hindi na up. Hindi na reso si Pau. Shit.
Most likely na-cancel na.
Namatay na. Wala na akong pang reso.
Breakers hit.
Break him.
Give up Gold Crest now. Everyone go to Black Hawk except those two taking Lionheart. Go to Black Hawk now.
Go. Break him.
Kailangan nyo ma-break yan before kayo mabasagan. Black Hawk fast.
I'm hitting, oh my god. Pero nag-hitaan sa likod, putang ina nito.
Yeah.
Yung Nike.
52%.
Okay, I'll handle.
Wala akong mana.
Naman City.
Give up ah. Go to Black Hawk now. Retake yung Black Hawk.
Wala akong
Ina mo.
mana.
Hindi nabasag to.
Ken.
Sige. Fight lang.
Go back.
Solid up. You can,
Black Hawk people, go to Di na? Shit, sige. Help Lionheart. Sige, help Lionheart.
Cancel na tayo dito. Black Hawk.
Hindi na tayo makapasok. Help Lionheart. Need to break.
Tara. Manipis lang, kaya.
Go to Lionheart now.
Ken.
62, come on.
Di kaya?
They're healing it. Yeah.
Nahil na.
Hindi makapasok. Ang pwede lang from
Juno.
Wala, nabusan tayo.
Fairy lang. Pwedeng pumasok. Fairy.
Sige. Go to Fairy.
Break natin to, Pao. Busin.
Move up tayo.
Atin pa rin yung soil niyan.
Def, water is atin.
Basta hindi tayo maubusan ng flags na siguro.
Ay, gago ka, nalaglag ako po. Tangina ba, nakidemonic fire po. Kailangan mo.
Wala ba tayong ano? Wala tayo, no?
Wiping Lionheart, oy.
Ito, nakabalik na ako.
Let's just wait. We're trying to get Black Hawk also. Racing ako, Gab. Dito ako.
Palag.
We're taking Black Hawk.
Kinuha na nila yung Earth, ha?
Long spear, try long spear, guys. Try long spear.
Oo, di ako makapatang. Palagi ako
I need people here. Liner, ano?
Pabalik
Wala
ako yan.
Pabalik
Okay.
kami, pabalik kami.
I need breakers.
Breakers for Fairy.
Putang ina mo, may pula.
Gago, si God 10 to.
Tang ina, hindi pa umabot. Sige.
Need breakers dito, guys.
Nice.
Nice pow.
Punta kayo sa Lionheart. We took Black Hawk. Help Lionheart.
Pasok. I'm getting soil.
Ganda nun, putang ina.
Okay, wait.
Hit amp!
Lionheart.
Ba't mabasag?
Come on, pasok.
Ayan, nag-drop na HP.
Give up Fairy for now. My raid, go to Gold Crest. My raid.
Ayan, ba't di na-damage? Gago, what the fuck?
May nagsasank siguro.
Wala tao.
My raid, Gold Crest.
Ayan o, nagdo-drop na.
Hit ka. Andito na.
Run ka muna, boss. Yan, dyan ka lang siguro.
Dito, go.
So yan, dito kami. North namin sa stairs.
Ako na babasag.
Dropping, 50%.
Copy, we're taking Gold Crest. We're trying to get Gold Crest.
May pare nag-pumasok magana.
We're fine. Basag. %20%. Go.
Go.
Ate na.
Basag.
Copy, nice.
Sakto si God. Ay, God Tinto pala. God
Tingnan nyo,
Tinto.
ha?
Where next?
Help Crest. Ay, patok. Def mo yung Black Hawk.
Okay.
Snow raid, def Black Hawk. Make your raid, help Gold Crest now.
Going Black Hawk? Okay.
Only at least one raid here at Gold Crest. One raid.
I'm coming.
Ay, putang ina, nabasag.
Nabasag.
Yun, ano?
Kararating lang namin, basig na yung Black Hawk.
Critic.
Kritik agad.
Gago na naglag ako. Bobo ka.
Putang ina, na-freeze ako. Let's hit. Saan namatay, Gab?
Hindi. Gago, pinatay ako nung kiro.
Sige, mareres kita.
Sa kabilang side ako, pre.
Tsaka lang.
Nalaglag ako.
Wait for me.
Nagawa ni Tigar. Okay. Tangina mo, yari ka sa akin.
Preso ko Dagar. Take. Gold Crest.
Black Hawk second floor namin.
Copy. We can. Don't worry, we can.
Got Tinto here.
Yeah, we can.
Ayun.
Don't worry, we can.
Land pro ko yung end.
Dead.
Dead.
Nice one.
Hitting.
Hit.
Next.
Yams, help kayo sa Black Hawk. My raid, go to Jade.
Binabanatan na nila yun, ha?
It's fine. Priority is to get Black Hawk.
Gago 9 tao. In. 9 people only.
Go.
Loob na ako.
Naka-damage, gago.
Patay sila. Mote! Putangin na. Ako patay. Back.
Ito na yung portal dep na.
Nakadep siya.
Makapal? Kaya manipis lang to. Check ko yung numbers.
Manipis lang, andyan lang si Mote.
Doram talaga.
Tangina, nabasagan ako ng weapon.
Hindi
Isa
ko
lang.
na-risk up.
Ang ina.
Tangina. Cannot be muna to. Mamaya to. Kailangan natin full first to.
Taking Blackhawk.
We need breakers.
Hindi. Sige. Hold muna tayo. May raid.
Nandito
Hold.
si Mote.
Gold crest.
No. Hold here. Hold here. Kung ano naman to. Jade Fort.
Blackhawk, nandito si Mote.
22 sa gold crest.
David, nakapasok ka?
Atin ba yan yung fire?
Oo, yung fire. Si David yan. Tsaka yung soil. Go in.
Sa akin pa, mga bulbul kayo, ha?
Let's go. We got fire. If we die, we can spawn. Go in. As long as we have fire, we can spawn there.
Ingat dyan, Gar. Ingat dyan. Sakit yan. Patay yan. Tara, Ram. Patay na. That's nice.
Win.
Go.
Go to win.
Blackhawk.
Copy.
Tayo ko si Mote.
Yeah, kill him. Dying.
Let's go. Soil. Jade Fort, soil.
Pulse ka nga gusto ni Gago.
Terminal ako.
Puta, makakapasok ba tayo dito? Nabasagin yung gold crest natin.
Try. Nakapasok.
Try. Kung nakapasok kanina eh.
Putang ina mo, Mote.
Tangina, raming ano.
God
gago,
14
mga
nandito.
problem. God
Ay,
10
God Tinto pala to.
God Tinto and Mote nandito sa Blackhawk.
Wow.
Bigyan nyo na. Marares kita.
Hindi, sa kanila to. Oh, shit.
Ubus
Run.
Kumaras yung sarili ko. Tangina mo.
Nakapasok ba ako?
Guloy lang natin sila.
Makapasok sa Jade.
Kunin ko lang tong soil.
Copy.
Okto, big boy ka na. Kaya mo na eh. Pasok na ako.
God Tinto, takbo!
Boy ka na.
Wala ka
Trabaho.
dyan.
Emp. Ingat.
Ingat.
Okay.
Other side ako.
Sige. Nahulog si Pau. Nahulog si David.
Putang ina.
Blackhawk
sino
take
pwede
soil.
pumasok?
Blackhawk take soil with me.
Oo, nahulog nga. Saan ka, Gab?
Dito sa gitnang hagdan.
Kita tayo sa 5. Dito ako. Nahulog sila Pau eh.
Sol.
Dito.
Putang ano, frozen. Mahirap to.
Shit. Fuck.
Blackhawk left side.
Left side, ah.
Fuck.
Nagpo-push out na yan, yung mga tao dito sa Blackhawk. Mote lumabas.
Yeah, go in. Try natin.
Ayun.
Star here.
Ina, wala akong mapasukan.
I'm pushing Emp, guys. Blackhawk.
Go. Kaso aray ko.
Provoke ah. Di ba alay nila to? May sumili. Ito, papunta na sila yung provoke.
Clearing Emp.
Ayan nga, yung backup nila.
Sige.
Kita ko yan.
Kaya ko kayo. Si God Tinto, wala ako natatakot.
Clearing Emp.
Aray ko, yan na siya.
Nasa labas sila yan. Kung kaya mong chanmin. Mapasok.
May makukuha ba kayong tier 1? Hanap kong tier 1, patak give up nyo naman yung Blackhawk.
Tier 1. Fairy Town. Provoke long spear.
Sige. Basta kuha.
Hindi tinitignan ko kung pwede. Wala.
Hindi pwede.
We're trying to get Jade Fort.
Andito pa naman kami. Wala rin kami maano.
I'm still clearing Emp, guys.
Sol ka,
Nag-push out
ka.
Emp.
Emp lang.
Blackhawk.
Tara, try natin to. Medyo,
Tinatry na mag-push in. Lumabas sila eh. Hindi kami
Emp
makapasok.
cleared.
basakin mo.
I need help.
Break. Try to break Jade.
Coming. M kayo? Dito na.
Nasa M kami.
Wala akong mana. Tangina mo. Halika. Pamana fix kung meron man.
Gold ulit.
Hindi ako makapasok ako. Inanet mga.
Ako makahataw. Dami ng
Ano ba
padami.
una?
Give up this. Patok, give up yun na. Punta kayong Black Fort.
Black Fort.
Yes, Black Fort.
Black Fort.
Patok, Snow Raid, hold Jade, everyone else Black Fort. We got 13 minutes.
Ay, gago, nasa Black Fort na ako do.
Balik kayo mag-hold.
Jade, nasa ng Jade Fort. Snow Raid, hold Jade
Black
Fort.
Black Fort, Gab.
Pick up.
Black Fort, okay.
Hindi, hold kayo kay Beach, Jade, kayo.
J.
Ito tayo? Sorry.
Jade. Ay, Black Fort, ay, kayo.
Jade kami. Ram Jade tayo.
Marami ba to? Ay, walang tao dito sa second floor.
Pasok agad, bago mag...
Take soil. Soil, regroup soil. My raid. Mameki raid also go to Black Fort.
I'm going.
Only Snow Raid will stay at Jade. We'll take Black Fort. Everyone go to soil. Regroup at soil.
Taka. I need buffs. Kita mag-get offset. Offset, I just
Take soil. Just take soil for now. Then we'll go in.
Pabuffs, offset.
10 minutes.
Copy. Nasaan na kayo, Yams?
Sa loob na.
Black Fort left side. Left side going up.
Malinis yung Jade Fort. Sige,
Kill,
dito na kami.
dito sila ton.
Tara. Kuhanin natin to.
Ang sobrang bilis ko tumakbo gago, parang tanga ang put.
Wipe everyone. Wipe.
Ayos ba yun? Putang ina.
Start hitting M.
Cleared. Go.
Hit M.
Jade very clean.
Dito, ginagawa dito.
Pow, it's me, Jukre. Break. 8%.
Right.
Nice. Mameki raid, help at Jade.
Jade is okay. We're good na Jade.
Hindi, hold naman natin ito dalawang to.
Ay, di. Mameki raid. Go to Goldcrest.
Goldcrest.
Yes. Hold kami dito.
Goldcrest?
Hold kami Black Fort. My raid, hold Black Fort.
Okay.
Meow will try to fight here.
Go second floor.
Baka too late na tayo eh. Sige, let's go. Let's go second floor, Black Fort.
Malinis pa.
9 minutes.
Copy, we got time. Second floor portal, guys. At Black Fort. Second floor portal. Sige, Pau, Gab, David, tulong na kayo doon sa Goldcrest. Magsasabi na lang ako pag kailangan nyo bumalik.
Take soil first. Goldcrest.
Excuse me.
In left.
Hindi naman natin kalinya yung milkshake.
Kalinya.
Asan sila?
Nakuhanan ng lollipop.
Left clear, guys. Here.
31 people at Goldcrest.
Oo nga.
26 only. 26 only. You can take.
I'm in. Fight with me. Eh,
I wanna rock
Hindi ko.
with
Nakuyog ako ng... Gusto mo
you
doon?
all night.
I'm dead. Shit.
Sensores.
Mote at Goldcrest, guys.
Ano lang siguro, I think better kung atak-atangin
Slow
niya
push.
para di sila-
Slow push.
para
Just slow
hindi
push.
sila,
Para
ano,
so
di sila
that
lumabas.
they can't. Yeah. Slow push.
Dito naman sila, yung boss pa. Oh my God.
Just slow push.
No pressure ba to? No pressure to?
No pressure. We got two big castles.
Two big
Tier 3.
castles.
Nice. Whoever took Sharkshire. What the fuck?
Oh,
Where
tignan
the
mo
fuck is Sharkshire? Ayun.
Gusto nyo ba ng Nightingale?
Hmm,
Gusto mo rin, Ram?
five people of Provoke at Jade. Ooh,
Tinalaro ko to eh.
Ram, balik mo na kayo dito. Feeling ko.
Leave Sharkshire, guys. Leave Sharkshire.
Leave.
Leave Sharkshire.
Dito
Saan?
ako sa labas. Dito ako sa labas. Sa second floor ako. I'll report. Wala nang pumapasok.
Bago ito tumakupa mo.
Little Gid sa Sharkshire.
Give them. Sa kanila. It's fine.
Ubus na yung M, pre.
I'm here. Uy, hit.
We got 6 minutes.
Nice,
6 minutes.
boss, go.
Hirap yung milkshake.
Ito na ha, medyo... Mote here at Jade ha. Second floor.
Balik na ng
Okay.
Jade, Ram. Kung sino man yung mga nasa raid ko na lumabas, balik
Break,
na muna.
mas break,
Wait,
gold.
30 people, 30 people.
Break Goldcrest and have Jade Fort
God
after.
Tinto is here as well.
Copy. Just hold.
Roy ko.
I'm there. 28 yung sa Jade.
Fast.
30%. Hit it.
Copy.
They're coming in fast.
Oh, tangina mo.
5 minutes guys. Or try. I'll delay.
Hold.
Ayan na. Mga po.
Just hold. Nandito si Tinto.
Nandito si Tinto.
Improve na.
4.
Grabe magsank. Oh, tangina.
Sige, priorities to take that.
Kaya na lang, pre ko.
Okay, nakapatay ako ng 3.
Sayang.
Mote here. Goldcrest.
Kamusta? Cannot be ba? Cannot be. Go to Jade. If cannot be, go to Jade. Go to Jade. Everyone Jade now.
Jade na, bitawan na to.
If di nyo na take yung sa window na yun. Jade, everyone.
Tinto at 5.
Tinto at 5, ah. Everyone at Jade.
Ayan na, M box.
I want Priest to keep on spamming Sanka. Nag-terminal sa Tinto. Tinto at Emp. Dying. Tinto dying. Nice. Almost. Epic. Kasing epic.
Got dito up.
3 minutes.
3 minutes.
God, Tinto at M box ha.
Yeah, we're
Pinipilit ko.
fine.
Patok, punta ka ng Sharkshire.
Ako?
Ay, Sharkshire tuloy. Ano, tawag doon? Blackfort. Raid mo.
Dead.
Dead.
10 people at tawag.
Sleep at Blackfort.
Blackfort.
Blackfort 3.
Snow raid Blackfort. Only snow raid.
Yun.
Resto doon.
Basta hindi kita makita, Gab.
Come on, story. Come here. We defend this. Isha Kalis here, okay. Okay ba? You guys okay? Jade can defend?
Yeah, we can hold Jade.
Pumasok si Mote.
Nandito rin ako.
Yams, lipat kayo.
Dito na ako.
Blackfort. Mameki raid Blackfort. We got 2 minutes to hold.
Nakakait si Mote oh.
Mote dying. Ito.
Hitting.
Ito. Naipit siya.
Na-freeze lang ako.
Oh, don't chase. 2 minutes.
Tinto at 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock Tinto. Care. Mag-ROS to Tinto at 5. We got 2 minutes. Kamusta dyan pa to? Dying.
Holding.
Nakapag-berry.
I think we're fine here.
Copy.
Got Tinto. 4.
4, copy.
Sa box, paano na sila, Bridge, ha? Number 4.
2 minutes. Kaya.
M-box
Stairs.
Aray ko.
Stairs.
Epic on Jade.
Heavy. Kailangan namin tulong.
Wala.
Hindi kaya? Okay, sige.
Best
We
we
will
can
try
do.
our best.
Nandito pa si Tinto eh.
Pamsang.
Sige.
Kahit to, 1 minute, I think we can.
Gab, lipat kayo. Gab. Si Gab lang. Pau, stay here. Gab, David, lipat kayo sa Blackfort.
Sige, napupush back sila.
Sige, better na. Napatay naman si Tinto sa Emprom.
59% M. 80% M.
Frozen nyo lang. We got 1 minute.
Tangina, sobrang rami. Kailangan namin mababasag to. Sobrang rami. Overrun kami.
Sabay kami.
Sobrang dami.
Basag.
Mababasag.
Dami masyado maganda.
Nice.
Hindi pa. Nagwawala pa ako pero I don't think we can hold it.
Wala, it's all good. Nice try. Naisahan tayo ng
Hindi pa. Basag na ba?
Sank lang.
Bumagal.
Sank lang. Bumagal.
Pamsang.
Laban lang.
Laban lang. Just hold. We got 40 seconds, guys.
Matay ako. Ano pa
Nakuha na.
Go to Jade. Everyone Jade now. It's fine.
All good.
All good. It's fine.
Blackford
Nakuha.
Hindi pa.
Nakuha na.
Hindi lang nag-load.
Jade. Everyone Jade.
Shit.
It's fine. All good. Don't worry.
Masyado sila. Wala papatay kay Tinto.
Walang
Kay
sasabihin
Hindi,
naman.
Mote.
Kay
Yes,
Moto,
fine.
wala
Sa
papatay
likod si
kay Moto
Mote.
sa amin. Oo.
All good. Nice try.
Game.
Walang tagabasag.
All good. Nice try. All good.